In this video I have come up with beautiful designing of this neckline for kurtis and churidars. Necklines will elevate our structure by giving extraordinary appearance. So let's get into the project. I'll be using this multicolor brocade for showing the neckline and using this half-white bias for piping, and also using the contrast color of purple raw silk fabric in the center. Now fold the fabric into two. And give the neck deep markings of 8 inches and the neck width 3 inches. Kindly take note that the measurements can be customized as per your requirement. Also mark 4 inches from the top and give this shape on this neckline. Now cut on this marked shape. This is how it looks after cutting. Now let us prepare the piping, inserting the cord in the center of this bias. Start sewing on the top of this bias, inserting in the center. Give the stitch line just adjacent to this cord. Now we'll join the piping to this neckline, placing right on right. Start sewing on the top of the wrong side of the piping, joining to the raw neckline. Give the angle slit for the flexible move to another side. This is how it looks after joining. And now lay the lining on this top towards the right side and start sewing. I think you can clearly see the markings. On these markings, I would be giving the stitch line. Now trim off the center part of the lining, giving the shape of the neckline. Now give the slits all around this neckline without crossing the thread line. Turn the lining towards the wrong side of the pretty fabric and give the gentle pressing on the top of this. Now take the piece of contrast color, which I am taking here is a purple raw silk fabric. Fold that piece into two. Place the neckline down part on this and give the markings. The fold of the piece should be matched with the center of the neckline, and I'd be giving the sweetheart shape here as per the required length. The shape would look like this, giving the extra seaming allowance of 1 inch towards this shape and cut it. Also cut the lining of the same shape. Now place right on right on the top, give the stitch line and give the slits on the top of the neckline. Move to another side and give the pressings on this shape so that the underneath fabric is well settled and you'll get the perfect shapes. Now place this shape underneath the neckline and check out you got the perfect shape or not. And now on this shape I would be giving 4 to 5 lines to join the strips. This is 1 inch strips. Fold all the raw edges in like this. Place it on the marked lines and start sewing. As this strips is optional, you can go for another shapes also. It would be better if you iron the strips and sew it. It will be easy for the joining. Now lay this sewn piece under the bodice of the kurti and also give the markings of the shape on the piece. Lay the bodice in the marking, start joining just adjacent to this piping. And to the either sides of these strips I'll be joining with the buttons for the attractive appearance. Concentrate on neatness and the fine finishings. This is how it looks. Then I'll be joining the buttons on the top. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It will give you gorgeous look. Please try, like and share. Subscribe to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.